Hey guys, Pixie here. Today I'll do a product review for this Thunder Tumbler Radio Control 360 Rally car. Now, the box is very attractive, very eye-catching. It has 360-degree spins. It looks fairly easy to control. So let's open it up and see. A sleek design. Looks really cool. Alright, let's get the batteries in it and see how it goes.
Okay, so the instructions are on the side of the box. I already put the batteries in, so we'll turn it on and see how it goes. Okay, reverse, forward, reverse, spinning. Action button. So, it always wants to spin, and it doesn't seem to ever go in a straight line. Not fully, at least. Backwards either. But it does have good control. Okay, and it says for the action button, you want to do okay. Up, down, and button at the same time. I can't seem to get it to do the action that I want. It has the ability. The controls are fairly easy to understand. All except for getting the hang of the action button. Press and hold the action button while the car is spinning. Okay, let's try it again. Let's get the car where we can see it. Okay. Well, I am pushing the action button and it doesn't seem to be working. But maybe I just need to get the hang of it, or maybe it just doesn't work. I'm not sure. But it's still fun to play with regardless. Okay, I'm trying it again. Maybe it's the timing. The action button does do something, but it's not lifting up like it's supposed to. I would say, other than I'm not getting the hang of it, or maybe I'm not pushing it at the exact right time, I would say this car is pretty fun to figure it out. The instructions are on the box. AA batteries, and then that like 9-volt spare battery. And this is the product review for the Thunder Tumbler. And maybe with some practice I'll be able to get it to do the right kind of trick. But I would say right now, you know, I've rammed it into a few things and it didn't seem to phase it at all. The wheels aren't scuffed. The body isn't scuffed. I think it could take some tough play. And it's raining today, but we could try it outside and see how it is. Definitely does not go on grass.